This red light therapy lamp, I bought it from Amazon and just I fixed it, and this lamp came in this box, and it have all the extensions and stand and how to fix. I tell you, there is a base of this. Okay, it's a base. You just have to rotate like this, then the base will be like fixed. Okay, and here from here, like from, yeah, you can like this or adjust according to your place like this. Okay, and how to use this lamp, you just like it comes with a controller, and one side will go in the electricity plug, and okay, it's a remote and controller, you can say. You can fix 30-minute session of this, like 30-minute, 20-minute, whatever. Just press this button, hold it for a few seconds, it will off, and to on it like this, now it's started. 30-minute maximum. And you can also increase or decrease the red light therapy intensity. It will help you to get good skin, glowing skin, very good texture of your skin. If you want to buy like, then you can buy it from Amazon and it will be delivered in your home. It is good lamp. Yeah, it is good lamp. Who want their good skin, pimple free skin, long lasting, good glowing skin, then those must use this lamp, according to me. I love this. It's very good. It's come in this box, red light and near light therapy device. It's a stand. Okay, and what else?